Welcome back to Data Cloud Now. We are examining manufacturing, and I am delighted to be joined by Balaji from Infosys, who is at Hannover Messe in Germany. Great to have you on the program. To start with, can you kindly introduce Infosys and your data and analytics unit briefly for the audience watching?
Yes, thanks, Ryan. Thanks for the question. And see, data analytics practice is a 30, 40-year-old technology practice. We are around 45,000 data specialists and engineers split across the globe, right? Right from advanced analytics currently to generative AI to data engineers across different technology stacks, which is there. In the midst of it, Snowflake is one of the largest practices, and it's one of the growing practices we have across all our clientele and across all our industries.
Great to have the baseline. How does the launch of the manufacturing data cloud help Infosys amplify human potential to create the next opportunity for people, businesses, and communities?
See, cloud has seen multiple waves of transformation, right? Where customers have moved high performance or high performing workloads onto the cloud. The new set of transformation which is now coming out is all around industry clouds, which is what's powered by Snowpark and the new things that Snowflake is introducing in the market, right? What it helps customers is to navigate the market challenges and also pick up all the new innovations which are coming out in the market. Around the fourth generation revolution which is coming out, the sustainability, automation, and AI which is there, right? How do customers pick up these opportunities in the market? Can we integrate both the OT and IT data together to kind of drive visibility across the marketing value chain, right? That is where I would say the manufacturing data cloud would play an integral part to all our customers and across most of the customers across the globe.
An exciting next chapter. Balaji, from your standpoint, I want to dive into the details a little bit here, specifically as it relates to Infosys. Infosys' smart manufacturing connects people, processes, and systems to deliver an intelligent manufacturing shop floor. How will Infosys continue to adapt and drive value on a day-to-day basis for your clients around the world?
Thanks, Ryan. See, the smart manufacturing solution, which Infosys has brought to the table, right, is an evolution of multiple transformations we have seen across manufacturing clients, which are there. Some of our largest deals in today in Infosys is all driven out of manufacturing customers. What it entails, right, on a day-to-day basis is the shop floor manufacturing and looking at factory-based innovations which are coming out, right? It helps to kind of schedule labor properly, procure raw materials properly, look at sustainability standards, look at visibility across the shop floor, which can help most of the manufacturers drive more value, predictability, and value to their operations.
I can hear the excitement and buzz that's taking place at Hannover Messe. The entire manufacturing ecosystem is present there. Great to have your perspective and insights about how Infosys is driving value in the manufacturing industry. But I have to ask, Balaji, what's next?
Be a better partner along with Snowflake and take it to the market, right? And what we are doing is a lot of innovations within Infosys, more around robotics, generative AI, doing more innovations around digital twin, and and take joint solutions with Snowflake back to the market.
Well, I'm looking forward to seeing this play out over the near term. Balaji, thank you so much for your time and your insights around the manufacturing industry. It's been a pleasure to have you on Data Cloud Now.
Thanks, Ryan. You have a good day.
And for the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. I'll see you soon.